In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for your support. Now, let me walk you through the quick and easy steps to get this done. Right now, I'm sitting in the ChatGPT interface, and I've been chatting about the weather. To save this conversation, you'll need to follow a few simple steps to ensure everything is captured neatly in a PDF format. First, start at the top of the conversation window. You'll want to grab your mouse and position the cursor at the very beginning of the conversation. Now, this is key. Hold down your left mouse button. While keeping that button held down, carefully drag your mouse downwards to highlight the entire conversation you wish to save. If you want the whole chat saved, just keep moving down until everything is highlighted from start to finish. Once you've highlighted everything you want to include in your PDF, the next step involves a quick right-click. Now, be sure you're clicking on a blank space in the chat window. This will prompt a menu to pop up. Look for the option labeled Print and go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Print dialog, but don't worry. We'll be using it to create a PDF instead. Now, moving to the right side of this dialog, you should see a section labeled Destination. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option that says Save as PDF. This is where the magic happens. We're transforming your conversation into a PDF format that you can easily store, share, or print later. If you're looking for more customization options, don't hesitate to click on More Settings. This will give you options to adjust the layout, margins, and even the color of your text if you want to personalize it a bit more. Take a moment to look through these settings. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and scroll to the bottom of this menu and click on the Save button. When you do this, your computer will prompt you to name your file. It's always a good idea to name your PDF something that makes it easy to identify later on. For instance, I'm going to call mine London Weather Forecast, since that fits the context of our chat perfectly. After you've typed in the name, click on Save, and just like that, your conversation will be saved as a PDF document. And there you have it. That's how you save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could drop a like below and consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful guides like this one. Before I wrap up, I just want to take a moment to thank you for watching. Your support means everything, and it keeps me motivated to create these tutorials. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time.